Your rear battery has a tail light. There's a button right here. We just push it down. Once turns the tail light on. One more push turns the tail light off. Right next to that on-off button is a clear little glass lens. If you ever see this blinking inside, what that's telling you is the batteries for the tail light are getting low and need to be changed. The tail light runs off its own set of batteries. If something happened to this battery, your tail light is still going to work. Batteries drain 100% dead because you were having a good time. It don't matter. You're getting home safe. We're just taking a flathead underneath, a little pry, and she'll come out. It sounds like it's gonna break, but that's just how tight this fits in there to try and keep the water out to protect your batteries. 2 double A's, that's it. To reinstall, done.